Gentlemen, let's talk about the reality of style after 40. The way you dress now defines how people perceive you. It shows confidence, status, and self-respect. But, the problem: too many men are stuck in the past. They're still wearing clothes that were stylish 20 years ago, not realizing that those same pieces are now making them look older, outdated, or just plain sloppy. I get it. When you've been wearing something for years, it's comfortable. It feels safe, but here's the truth. Your wardrobe needs to evolve with you. If you want to look like a man who's in control of his life, respected and put together, you need to start replacing these outdated pieces with modern, refined alternatives. Let's get into it. 1. Old worn-out leather accessories that age you instantly. Most men don't think about their leather goods when they consider style. They focus on clothes, shoes, maybe a watch, but what about your wallet, your belt, and your briefcase? Here's the problem. If your leather accessories are cracked, faded, or stretched out, they instantly make you look like you've given up on the details. A worn-out wallet that's bursting at the seams, a belt with a curling edge and a scuffed buckle, a beat-up messenger bag you've been carrying since 2005. These small things quietly drag your style down. What to wear instead? 2. Stiff, boxy suit jackets that destroy your silhouette. A lot of men over 40 are still wearing the same suit they bought 10 or 15 years ago. The problem: suiting has changed. If your blazer or suit jacket is too long, too wide in the shoulders, or has an outdated boxy fit, it instantly makes you look heavier and less refined. Older suits tend to have wide lapels, extra long cuts, and too much padding in the shoulders. They're bulky, they drown your frame instead of defining it. And if you haven't had your suit tailored in years, chances are it's making you look older, not sharper. What to wear instead? A modern structured suit or blazer with a clean silhouette. The jacket should lightly hug your shoulders, taper in slightly at the waist, and end just below your belt line. And let's talk about lapels. Avoid super wide lapels that look straight out of the 90s. Instead, go for a slim to moderate width, about 2.5 to 3.5 inches. That keeps you looking modern without being trendy. A well-fitted blazer instantly makes you look more put together, more confident, and more powerful. It's one of the easiest ways to upgrade your style. 3 t-shirts with thin, flimsy fabric that make you look sloppy. You might think a t-shirt is just a t-shirt, but here's the truth. Cheap, thin, stretched-out t-shirts make you look older and less put together. A lot of guys don't realize that a t-shirt needs structure. If the fabric is too lightweight, too sheer, or too stretched out, it clings to your body in all the wrong ways. It emphasizes the areas you don't want to highlight, and it makes you look messier, not sharper. So, what should you wear instead? A well-made, structured t-shirt in high-quality cotton or merino wool. Look for a fit that's snug in the chest and arms, but relaxed around the waist. Color matters too. Instead of plain black or white, try deep navy, olive, or charcoal. These colors add depth to your look without being too harsh. I've linked some of the best quality t-shirts in the description below. These are the kind of basics that quietly upgrade your entire look. 4. Generic mass-produced cologne that doesn't reflect who you are. A lot of men over 40 are still wearing the same cologne they've been using for decades. Maybe it's something they got as a gift years ago, or maybe it's a generic department store fragrance that smells like every other guy in the office. The problem is your scent should evolve with your style. A lot of older colognes have overpowering synthetic notes that don't complement a refined, modern look. So, what should you wear instead? Invest in a well-crafted, complex fragrance that matches your personality. Something warm, masculine, and subtle, but powerful. Look for colognes with woody, earthy notes like sandalwood, vetiver, or oud. Stay away from anything too sweet, too spicy, or too synthetic smelling. Your fragrance should be a quiet signature, not an overpowering statement. People should lean in closer to notice it, not smell you from across the room. 5 bulky, old-school eyeglasses that age you. If you wear glasses, they're one of the most defining parts of your appearance, but a lot of men over 40 are still wearing thin, wire-framed glasses or thick, outdated plastic frames that make them look older than they actually are. 6. Oversized, outdated denim jackets that make you look sloppy. Denim jackets can be a great staple, but most men over 40 are wearing the wrong kind. If your denim jacket is boxy, oversized, heavily faded, or covered in unnecessary details like patches and rips, it's aging you in the worst way. 7 cheap, worn-out sneakers that ruin a great outfit. I see it all the time. Men over 40 wearing worn-out, clunky sneakers with casual outfits, thinking it's no big deal. But here's the problem. Shoes are one of the first things people notice. and a bad pair of sneakers will instantly downgrade everything else you're wearing. If your sneakers have thick soles, flashy designs, bright neon accents, or visible branding, they're doing more harm than good. They make you look out of touch, like you're stuck in a different decade. 8. Outdated dress shirts with excessive patterns and loud colors. A lot of men over 40 still have dress shirts in their closet that they bought years ago. The problem: shirt styles have changed, and if your shirts have bold, oversized patterns, flashy colors, or boxy fits, they're making you look dated. Bright red, thick stripes, wild paisley prints. These were trendy once, but now they look forced, and fit is another issue. 9. Bulky, outdated sports watches that look out of place. A watch is honestly one of the most powerful accessories a man can wear, but too many guys are still wearing these oversized, outdated sports watches that just don't match their outfits. Big, bulky, rubber-strapped watches might be great for the gym, but if you're wearing them with a blazer, a dress shirt, or even a polo, they instantly make you look, well, unpolished. Watches should match the occasion. If your everyday watch is thick, covered in dials, and has a giant case that just overpowers your wrist, it's really too much. So, what should you wear instead? Upgrade to a sleek, well-proportioned timepiece. A stainless steel sports watch like a Rolex Datejust, an Omega Aquaterra, or even a Seiko Presage gives you that refined, masculine edge. And if you prefer a leather strap, go for a simple, elegant dress watch with a thin case, something minimal but still powerful. A great watch should add to your style, not take over your wrist. 10. Outdated or worn outerwear that ruins your entire look. Most men focus on their shirts, pants, and shoes, but completely ignore their jackets and coats. That's a mistake. Outerwear is actually the first thing people see, and if it's outdated, it will ruin your entire outfit. Here's what I mean: baggy, unstructured trench coats from the 90s that make you look shapeless. Old fleece zip-ups that honestly just scream dad at a soccer game. Oversized puffer jackets that add unnecessary bulk. And cheap faux leather jackets that look plasticky and shiny instead of refined. 11. Bulky wallets that ruin your outfit. Most men are still carrying overstuffed, thick, bulky wallets that ruin the lines of their outfit. If your wallet is so big it creates a visible bulge in your pocket, it's really doing you a disservice. It throws off your silhouette, adds unnecessary weight to your look, and honestly, it just makes you look outdated. 12. Cheap department store belts with oversized buckles. A belt is one of those things most men never upgrade. They buy a generic leather belt from a department store, wear it for years until it's cracked and stretched out, and never think twice about it. But here's the thing: a bad belt can ruin an otherwise sharp outfit. If your belt is too thick, it looks clunky and out of place. Worn out with visible creases and peeling leather, it makes you look sloppy. Has a massive, flashy buckle that looks childish and desperate for attention. 13. Cheap dress socks with loud patterns. Socks are often overlooked, but they make a bigger difference than you think, and one of the biggest mistakes men make is wearing cheap, brightly colored patterned socks that clash with their outfit. I get it. At one point, crazy socks were marketed as a fun way to show personality, but here's the problem. They break up the flow of your outfit. Instead of making you look stylish, they become a distraction that makes you look less refined. Bright red socks with a navy suit, neon green with dress shoes, it just looks mismatched and unpolished. What to wear instead? Invest in high-quality, classic dress socks in neutral colors like navy, charcoal, black, or deep brown. These subtly enhance your outfit instead of drawing unnecessary attention. Looking stylish over 40 isn't about dressing younger. It's about dressing better. It's about making small, smart upgrades that instantly sharpen your look, boost your confidence, and show the world that you're a man who takes himself seriously. And here's the thing: quality matters. The right pieces aren't just about looking good today. They fit better, last longer, and make dressing well effortless every single time you put them on. That's why I've linked some of the best wardrobe upgrades in the description below. Yes, they might be a little pricier than what you're used to, but trust me, they're worth the investment. Instead of wasting money replacing cheap clothes over and over, these are pieces that will serve you for years and keep you looking refined every single day. If you want even more ways to level up your style, check out this next video where I break down even more must-have wardrobe essentials for men over 40. You don't want to miss it.